Now the next question of this topic, derive an expression for potential energy of a bar magnet placed in uniform magnetic field. Going towards the derivation, first of all we understand here the basic concept related to the magnetic field and as well as the torque acting on the magnetic field. First of all, we consider here the B bar. B means magnetic field. If we consider this is a magnetic field and one of the magnet is placed in presence of the magnetic field, we know that the magnet having two poles, north pole as well as south pole. To consider here the north pole and south pole, first of all this is alignment or the direction of the north pole and this is opposite alignment or the direction of the south pole. Hence, what is the magnetic moment of the north pole? This is nothing but M into B. This is nothing but torque acting on here the north pole. As well as this is nothing but for the south pole. This is also here M into B. M means what? Magnetic moment. B means magnetic field. What is happening here? This is nothing but the directions are here the north pole and south pole. To make here the rotation for this bar magnet, there is the requirement of the torque here. Torque means what? What is the definition of torque? Torque is the ability of the force to produce purely rotational motion. This is known as a torque. Now we consider here the M bar cross B bar. We know that whenever there is a cross product, there is a formation of angle that is nothing but the sine theta. Which angle formation? Sine theta between these one. Okay. We consider this latter one, and whenever there is a dot product, there is a formation of angle cos theta. But here is a formation of here the cross product. We consider here the after that one angle formation sine theta. Now, whenever this is presence of the magnetic field, we want to rotate this bar magnet. If the bar magnet get rotated and make here the alignment such like this one, that is nothing but here this is nothing but the magnetic field and the both forces are aligned along the same direction. Means what? This is also here the magnetic moment produces. Again formation of magnetic moment, but this is north direction and this is nothing but the south direction. The both forces are aligned along the same direction. Hence there is nothing but the no torque produces formation here. And after that one, whenever we make here the rotation of this bar magnet. Now the bar magnet is along the same direction of the magnetic field. If we rotate this bar magnet, okay, now the north pole is at the upper side, south pole is at the lower side. We make here the showing here the rotation such like this one. Now to make here the rotation, we have to make here the work done. Okay, to making here the work done, these work done has to be stored as a potential energy into the bar magnet. Now this is nothing but work is stored in the form of the potential energy of this bar magnet. Means we have to make here the alignment, changing of the angle. If we consider here this magnet, the magnet get aligned along the straight direction. We make this formation from first position to the second position. Means if we consider this is a theta 1 and this is the theta 2. This is nothing but the change in a position. We consider here the means this is the dW. This is the work done has to be stored in the form of the potential energy for the bar magnet. Now come to the derivation. Now derivation is that derive the expression for the potential energy of the bar magnet whenever it is placed in uniform magnetic field. Okay. Now we consider here B is nothing but the magnetic field. M is the magnetic moment, theta is the rotation of the angle. Now from this one we consider here the formation of angle theta and tau is nothing but the torque acting on the bar magnet. Now here the first equation I am writing here, the basic equation coming from this torque, tau is equal to M bar cross B bar. Now M bar cross B bar, cross product shows here the formation of angle sin theta, hence the tau is equal to M into B sin of theta. Now work has to be done for rotating the dipole against the torque. Hence we have to make here the work done to make here the rotation of the this bar magnet has to be considered here dW. dW, D means what? The small change in a work. Okay, small change in a work means small change in a theta. Okay, if we make here the small working, there is a small change in a formation of angle theta. Hence dW means there is a formation of here the d theta. Now the angle changes from theta 1 to the theta 2. We consider here t theta, tau theta. Tau means what? This is nothing but the torque. Okay, tau theta into the d theta. Now d theta means change in angle. This is nothing but the d theta. Put the value of torque here. What is the value of torque? The torque having a value mb sin theta. D theta remain as it is. We know the integration. Integrate. We have to make here the integrate from theta 1 to the theta 2. Hence sin theta integrate, making formation of here the minus cos of theta. Now mb become here the constant. We make here the aside, keep aside from the bracket. Hence cos of theta integrate, we have to make here the limit theta 1 to the theta 2. Hence minus remain as it is, m into b. We put here the values cos of theta 2 minus cos of theta 1. Okay. If we taking here the one condition that if the theta 1 become the 90 degree and theta 2 become the theta, it means if the bar magnet at the initial condition at the 90 degree and after the rotation it going towards the theta. What is happening here? If we put this value in terms of cos of theta 2 and cos of theta 1, we get here minus mb. We know that what is the value of cos of 90? That become here the formation of the 0, means only remaining value here minus mb cos of theta. Hence this is a formation of potential energy of the bar magnet.